Have you ever asked this question to yourself? What is your value? See, your value doesn't come from the certificates or from the results that you've got from your school and colleges or university. Okay? And listen, if you do not have the communication skill, you cannot show your talent, because talent or education cannot be seen. It can only be understood the moment when you start talking with somebody. Okay, so the knowledge and education comes out from your language. That's why you need to be very good in communication. No matter what communication, no matter what language it is. It may be either your Bengali language, it may be Hindi, or it may be English. When it is English, that means you connect the whole world. When it is Bengali, you connect your community. And when it is Hindi, you connect India. Okay, so that's why choice is yours. If you want to leave an impact all across the world, you have to speak in English. If you want to leave an impact in this country, you have to speak in Hindi. And if you want to leave an impact in your locality or in your community, so you can speak in your vernacular language or in your regional language. It may be Bengali, Nepali, whatever it is. Clear? So I told you the reason why we should learn English, and why should we learn Hindi, and why we should learn Bengali. And remember one thing, if you learn Bengali, Bengali language will just keep you confined within a small territory, just like a frog inside a well. Okay, like a frog inside a well thinks that I am the king, the biggest frog. I'm talking about the biggest frog. It just thinks that I am the king, but he doesn't know that the oceans also lie outside, and in that oceans there are big aquatic creatures like whale, shark, and different type of dangerous animals, and English will help you to connect with your ocean. Okay, English will help you to jump out of, to get yourself out of the well and help you to live into the deep ocean. And when you face those dangerous animals, okay, dangerous and more powerful creatures, that is the moment you learn so many lessons in your life. So our life is also like that. If you don't face challenges, if you don't face problems, you will not grow up. You will not get lessons. And without lessons, if you grow up, you cannot leave an impact. You cannot show the way to the other people. So that's why experience negativity, experience problem, challenges are very, very important. If you really want to be someone inspiring, if you want to guide a human being, so you have to go through different situations. You have to tackle them all. Okay? So don't get in the comfortable zone. Like Sundar Pichai said, once you are in comfortable zone, that means you will never develop yourself. Okay? Success never comes from comfort zone.